IBS-D is irritable bowel syndrome with diarrhea. Symptoms most common with IBS-D include sudden urges to have bowel movements, abdominal pain or discomfort, intestinal gas, flatulence, loose stools. Treatment includes avoiding certain foods such as foods high in FODMAPs, such as cruciferous vegetables, for example, cauliflower, wasabi, kale, and broccoli, legumes, for example, black beans, edamame, soy nuts, and fava beans, dairy products such as cheese or ice cream, wheat and grains. Be wary of certain foods, fried or fatty foods like French fries, alcohol, caffeine in coffee, teas, and some sodas, carbonated sodas, chocolate. To relieve symptoms, the condition include adding fiber to the diet, drinking plenty of water, avoiding soda, eating smaller meals, and eating more low-fat and high-carbohydrate foods. Get the right type of fiber. Simply eat more soluble fiber, rather than the insoluble kind. Soluble fiber stays in the gut longer, which helps the colon work normally. You find soluble fiber in foods such as oats, peas, beans, apples, citrus fruits, carrots, barley. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, is found in things like whole wheat flour, wheat bread, nuts, beans, cauliflower, green beans, potatoes. Drink plenty of water. As long as your doctor has not restricted your fluids, shoot for 6 to 8 8-ounce glasses of plain H2O each day, but not always with meals. Recommendations: avoid sorbitol, a sugar substitute found in gum and mints, and fructose, a simple sugar, and honey and some fruits, also trigger IBS symptoms in some people. Try to eat less at each meal, or have 4 or 5 small meals a day. Try to follow these, and enjoy a better life. Press the bell icon, so you never miss any video from Life Bread.